Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for coming. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys so much. So guys, don't mind what is on my face. So I'm doing a face mask for my black spots on my face. So try to get rid of that black spot. So I'm just wearing my face mask. So to keep time, so I decided to just make this video so that I will use one bird to kill two stones. So today I'm using this grow mega growth mega growth lotion. So this is the product that I will be using today on my hair. So this is a lotion, growing lotion that can help to grow your hair. It's anti-breakage, strengthen, restore and repair lotion. So guys, I washed my hair a day before I make this video, so I could not make this video that same day. So I decided to just put my hair like this and cover it with a plastic cap so that I can also keep the moist in my hair, so that my hair will not just dry out like that. So I want to really know the how this product is going to be on my hair, although it's not a moisturizing lotion, but it's a lotion. At least it can also help to keep my hair moisturized somehow. So that's why I did not add anything on my hair. Normally when I wash my hair, if I don't have time to put my hair in a protective style, I will just use water, olive oil, and just put it on my hair and put my hair in a cover, or just like so, cover with a plastic cap. So since I want to use this product for the first time, so I decided to just leave my hair like that to see how this product is going to work on my hair. So guys, here I am. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. And if you just subscribe and you're also here to watch another video from me, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you so much. And if you just saw my video on YouTube and you click and you decide to watch and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification. In that way you will not miss out any of my new video. So this is not my regular face, so if you are new here, this is not my real face, okay? I know my face is not the best, so but this is not my real face. I'm wearing a face mask for my black spots, so that's not my real face, okay? So this is how the lotion look like. The lotion just feel like it be like that of Africa Pride, yes, that of Africa Pride. That if you have used Africa Pride lotion before, they are just the same. That there's no different. The consistency, the scent, everything is just the same. Like when I put it on my hair, I was like, this just feel like Africa Pride moisturizing lotion. I was like, are you sure this is not Africa Pride? And I use a lot of this, not a lot because it's so lightweighted, and I did not really use heavy handed while using this product. Glory be to God. So guys, this product is grow lotion, but it's not moisturizing lotion. It's not writing to moisturize here, but it's grow lotion. It's help to uh, minimize breakage, strengthen your hair, restore damaged hair, repair all that stuff. So what am I going to say? It's anti-breakage, strengthening, mega grow lotion. Whatever your texture or hairstyle, mega grow define against breakage, split end and dryness by helping rebuild hair strength deep inside, protect against styling stressing, restore softness and natural shine. So it can also help you moisturize. So soft, when your hair is soft, it's moisturized. So it can also help you to moisturize your hair. So use and say smooth and protect hair daily by guarding against heat, styling damage, replenish moisture and shine. So supposed to also moisturize your hair. Okay, so we are going to know about that later, if it really does moisturize, has shine and all that. So say apply daily before styling, squeeze into palm, rub together, and finger and run your finger through hair, distribute from root to end. So tip for mega strengthening, for deep moisture, infuse and soft. So apply mega lotion immediately before blow drying hair, heat styling, apply overnight to dry hair. So you can also apply this overnight. When you apply it on your hair, you're going to leave it, so it's not a wrist out lotion. So apply overnight, does not really matter, because when I apply it on my hair, I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to blow dry my hair. I don't blow dry my hair. I I since I start my natural hair, I never blow dry my hair. So there's no need for that. I'm not going to use it to blow dry my hair. So the ingredients here is water, glycerin, soya beans oil, vegetable oil. Guys, there's a lot of ingredients here. Have olive oil, shea butter, avocado oil, and wheat protein. That is why it also helps to strengthen your hair, because there's protein inside. So because protein is good to strengthen the hair. So it has protein. And what else guys, there's a lot of ingredients here. It has canola oil, argan oil, coconut oil. So it has a lot of aloe vera leaf extract, so vegetable protein, and a lot of ingredients. Guys, there's a lot of ingredients. That is the one that I know that can benefit to our health. So this is good for our hair. Also, it's going to help to grow. I hope it will really help to grow my hair. So like the packaging of this bottle is so beautiful, like the yellow color. The person in here is wearing a wig. I think this is a wig. This is not natural hair. So the both are wearing wig. So this is supposed to be for your hair. You're supposed to, like, if you want to put picture model, you're supposed to put somebody that is wearing natural hair. So but it's good. So it's mineral oil free, petroleum free, petroleum free. So guys, I'll just apply it to my hair. I'm not using it with anything, so I'm using it alone, because I will be coming back to show you guys how the product moisturize my hair or shine or any other thing that they promise, softness, shine, and moisture. So we are going to see about that. So I will just comb my hair through to distribute the product to my hair. The product is very lightweight, guys, just like that of Africa Pride. If you love using Africa Pride, you're also going to love using this one, because it's just like the same. The consistency is the same. The scent like fruit, kind of fruit scent like that. If you like your hair to be smelling like fruit scent, you also like this product, because the scent is so amazing. I love the scent, like it scents so well. I love it. So that guy. For the scent is okay. The packaging is so cute also, and it's also lightweight. If your hair did not like lightweight product, you might not like this. If you don't mind using lightweight product, you will also use like this. If you like, let me just put in the simple clear way. If you like um Africa Pride moisturizing lotion, you will definitely like this mega growth lotion. So guys, I've already done that part of my hair, so I'm just going to to go off camera to make the remaining part of my hair. So guys, I'm done right here. As you can see, I'm done braiding my hair. I braid some part. If you can see some parts, I twisted it because I was in hurry. My baby needs me, so I just have to just be in hurry and twist the other part. So guys, now this is the next day, so I'm back to show you guys if this product can really uh, do all everything that they promise to do. Well, for the strengthening, let me quickly say this. For the strengthening, it helps to strengthen your hair, because when you comb through, your hair is not going to be like that breaking when you comb through your hair. It helps to it help you to comb your hair very well, like it strengthen your hair while combing it. So now I'm just going to take down my my braid, guys. I will not be taking everything down, okay, because I don't have time to put my hair back to protective style again. So I will just be taking down only one. Please, I'm sorry if you want to see how all my hair look like. I'm so sorry because I don't have enough time to take down my hair and also put it back on protective style, since I'm not going anywhere. I am. So guys, this is how my hair look like now. The shine is there. As you can see, my hair is shiny, and my hair also feels soft, like soft, but not that really moisturized. So if you use this in low, your hair is going to be soft and your hair is going to be shiny. It's not going to be that really soft, but you know what I mean, average soft. So if you want to use this to keep your hair really soft for days, I will advise you use it. After using it, seal it up with something like oil, anything that you love to put on your hair. After moisturizing it, just use it with that. So it helps to keep your hair shiny and also help to strengthen your hair. So now I add my grease and the grow lotion to my hair. So that's how I will be using it from now. If I want to use it again, I will not use it alone. For shiny, it's very good to keep your hair shiny, and for moisture, it's also good to keep your hair moisturized for some days. This is the next day, guys. So my hair feel this way. So if you want to really keep your hair moisturized for like 2 to 3 days, you have to use it with something. Okay, you have to use it with something. It's a very good product. I'm going to use it. I'm going to finish it. I got it on like €10 or something, so I will finish it because €10 is not a small money. I'm going to finish it. So now I'm going to put some hair grease on my scalp. I'm going to grease my scalp, and my hair is going to stay like this for the remaining days of the week before I will wash my hair. So if you are using this lotion before, just leave your comment at the comment section below if you like it. If you make your hairs to grow, for the grow, I will still continue to use it. If you make my hair to grow, I will come back to give you guys some updates about this product. That's but you have to go. So some updates about this product. So that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching to this extent. I appreciate you guys so much. So leave your comment at the comment section below if you like it, if you have used it before. If you like using African Pride, you will definitely love this product because they are almost the same, like almost the same. The color of the product, the scent, the lightweighted, everything is just the same. So this is going to be the end of our today's video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share with your friend, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye, stay safe, ciao ciao.